Howdily, howdily. Once this picks it. There we go. Hello, hello, hello. There we go. Oh, yeah, ultimately, I didn't say hello. How we doing, guys? Let me just pop out chat. So I can put it somewhere where I can see it. And let's get cracking with the Linux from scratch today, shall we? So, first things first. The operating system did indeed boot, which I'm very happy with. That's right, I don't have NeoFetch installed. Oh, bother. Right, so that's one of the list of things we need to get done today. Is firstly NeoFetch. Also, yeah, I currently feel like I feel like I'm rattling around inside my own head at the minute. So if I sound very much not with it, that's why. Right. So first things first, NeoFetch. Clear. Do I have Git installed? I imagine I don't. No, I don't. Okay, so before we do NeoFetch, we should do Git. So that requires us going back to Linux from scratch book. Hope the fuck I actually typed Linux from scratch correctly. My brain does not want to cooperate. So read online. I don't know if you can hear me well or not. I'm just trying to. I'm not. I'm trying to just fill up the microphone for the right spot there. Hello, Ben. How are we doing, my friend? I feel like a ping pong ball rattling around inside my own head. I do not feel the greatest right now. But alas, we must continue. So first things first, for Git, we need curl. For curl, we need make CA, which I do have. I know for a fact that I have make CA. ls pipe like there we go. Okay, so I've got make CA done. So we clear this, so we need to install, we need to get curl. So first things first, wget, good, wget https curl.se/download/curl dash 8. Oh no. File 8.2 point 2.1. There we go. File exit. Oh yeah, that's right, because I need to also rebuild I need to rebuild wget because previously wget did not have the certificates. It could not, unable to locally verify the issuer's authority. Oh yeah, that's why. It's supposed to be curl, not CR. Okay, so we need to go rebuild wget as well. So I need to go grab me wget. Go up again. Yeah, so we need to rebuild wget. So yeah, that's right. Oh, hang on. Where are we? We are here. So tar-xvf wget. Wget dash 1.121. Yeah, okay. So cd wget. So, right. If I'm understanding this correctly, to fix this, I should just be able to. No, I need to do make CA first, because make CA is the one with certificates. tar-xvf make CA. cd make ca. Yeah, make ca is one of the certificates. But yeah, waking up. I promise I am still alive. You can shout at me to let me know if the microphone doesn't sound good today. I'm just trying to configure, make it make sense. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so we're in make ca. To proceed forward with make ca, we need to actually rebuild it in its entirety, because make ca is the one with the certificates, and then I did not previously have the certificates. I did not have access to internet previously, so the certificates didn't work. There we go. Brain, catch up. Make install and install -bdm 755/etc/ssl/local. So technically it's already installed, so /user sbin/make ca-g. Unable to get rid of server version, so systemctl enable update -pki timer. And now I need to go grab all certificates. Yay! Oh, added additional. Oh, I jumped the gun again because I need to. I need to go through the entire. Oh. Yeah, so my brain is really not with me today. Okay, so do I need to do? Oh, I can't remember if I need to do libtisn and then p11. Exactly, don't panic. I mean, the operating system is called kernel panic. It's not actually, because it doesn't have a name, because I didn't do that, because yeah, I need to go through that at some point in time. I will fix that today. Okay, so need to make sure. Okay, no, I should actually be fine with not redoing make P11 kit, because it doesn't actually have all the information on it, whereas this one does. So move the keyboard so my arm feels comfortable. So wget https p. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. CA cert. God damn. Sorry. cert.org/certs /root.crt and wget https://www.ca-cert.org/certs/class 3.crt and open SSL x509 -in root.crt -text -fingerprint -set alias alias. Okay, I was typing that out correctly. So then quotation kindly. Oh, never mind, Joe. Fine. Set alias quotation CA cert class 1 root. I keep going for the wrong place. because UK keyboard. Probably nowhere near. We need to make a choice on which one we're doing today, because this is a brand new install, basically, because I'm having to redo the entirety of XFCE, which means I'm on a brand new install. This is to be able to get wget working with certificates. So we did CA cert class 1 root hyphen or just hyphen add trust server auth hyphen add trust email protection add trust code signing SIGNING /enter into /etc SSL local CA cert class underscore one underscore root dot pem and open SSL x509 in class 3.crt hyphen text hyphen fingerprint hyphen alias or set alias CA cert class 3 root. I would be amenable to that too, because of the amount of hell I've been having recently. So yes, I would absolutely be amenable to that. And then what to do, add trust server auth, add trust email protection, add trust code SIG signing /enter going into /etc SSL /local /DA cert. There we go. Class underscore 3 underscore root.pem and /user sbin make CA -r. Okay. I think I'm fine. Right. I have a cup of coffee waiting for me to sugar it. Dip biscuits into it. Yeah. Why was that downloading 407 megabytes per second? This internet connection doesn't even exceed. Yay, I'm breaking internet connection again. This connection here that I'm using in Australia doesn't even exceed 100. How the hell is it doing 407? So yeah, we know I break things pretty frequently. Did I type low? God damn it. So for class 1, I've accidentally, where is it? /etc/SSL/locale CAs. Oh god, where? I spent so long messing around with the locales last time around, I've accidentally typed out locale instead of local. Oh lord. Must be in the local directory specified with the switch or download. Okay, well, it's downloaded them both, so... No, so, well, sometimes it goes wild, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's accurate, sometimes it's not. Once I had it to say I downloaded something at 1.1 gigabytes a second. That was funny. That was when I was in the UK and I had 940 meg down. Sorry, I can feel that coming on. Right. Okay, so now that when Python 3 is installed, we're not going to touch that. Okay. So as far as I can tell, it is done. So we are going to redo curl. Well, we're actually going to download curl to begin with. So leave the directory. Where are we? We're in sources. So rm-r. Yeah, rm-curl. So tar no. wget https:// curl.se/download/curl-8.2.1.tar. Unable to verify. Okay, so yay, we've got to go through it all again. Or, hear me out, we do it like we've always done it. And no, I am gonna have to redo P11 kit. Okay, sorry. So where are we? We are in sources. So tar-xvf P11 kit dd P11. Yeah, we are gonna have to redo P11. So we are in P11 kit. Okay, so we are gonna have to redo it. We've got libtasn that's installed. I know that for a fact. And make CA, that is what we were doing. So installation of P11 kit, fix an issue causing some PKCS11 modules to fail to load. I need to do a quick sed change, which I can do once I've had some of my coffee. I hope if I stirred it. Now I've sugared it. It's either that or I just don't feel well at all. Okay, that tastes better. Just forgot to stir it. Whoopsies. So sed apostrophe s/if bracket gi/hello Miss Love, how you doing, my friend? Where is the and sign? Where's the ampersand? There you are. And backslash and space gi exclamation mark equals space capital C underscore get interface slash quotation backslash enter hyphen I P11 git slash modules dot C. Okay. Same. Oh, I feel the pain. I feel the pain, Miss Life, I really do. It currently feels like I am two ping pong balls rattling around inside my own head. That's how I feel right now. No, I have done for the past few days. So 20 apostrophe. That's not apostrophe, that's a comma. Oh my god. $, yep, there we go. That space D apostrophe. Ugh. Apostrophe, there we go. Oh god, my brain won't catch up. Trust the extract compact and at into trust extract compact go until EOF has been found. So it is hash copy existing Angkor modifications modifications to /etc / local, not locale. There we go. Yep, that's fun. /user lib exec / make ca copy trust modifications, enter hash trust balls /user sbin / make ca recursively, and then EOF. Okay, I hope the microphone is in a good spot. Right, so now that we've done this, we can actually install make ca. So make directory build. Okay, cd build. Okay. Hello, Toro. How you doing? Here I am living in the Matrix. Yes, I'm living in the Matrix of my own mind. Oh god. Mason setup back no /enter. There we go. Prefix equals /user /enter hyphen build. Oh my god, catch up brain. Type equals release /enter, and then capital D trust underscore paths equals /etc pki, and ping pong ball rattling around inside my own head. And Ninja. There we go. That's how I feel. I have me some lemon tops. So I'm gonna have me some lemon tops. Because I'm not sure if that's actually worked. I need to. I am actually gonna run the test for this one. Oh, lemony. It smells like lemon. Of course it smells like lemon. They're basically lemon biscuits with lemon filling. They smell amazing. They taste it as well. Right. Now it's time to install. So Ninja install. And link SVF to user. Trust me, it was for me at one point as well, so you get used to it over time, but it is nice seeing you. I promise not to die today. Although that's not a promise I'm sure I can make. I will have a good 8:24 in the morning. Trust extract hyphen compat /enter /user bin update ca certificate. Okay, so now that we have installed it, drop in replacement for libnssckbi.so to transparently make the system CAs available to NSS aware applications rather than static lists provided by that. So as user, execute the following command. So ln-fv./pkcs11 p11-kits-trust shared objects space /user bin lib nssckbi.so. Good. Good. Okay, right. Now we can redo make CA. Yay, back to make. Oh my god, kill me. Oh my god, kill me. rm-r. What exactly directory did I just come from? P11 kit, rm-r p11 kit. Did you make CA? Okay, so tar-xvf make CA. Ah. So cd make CA. Okay, so let's try this again, shall we? So make install and install -vdm 755 /etc/ssl/local /user sbin make CAG, unable to get revision from the server exiting. That's fine, I guess. I'm trying to download it, but it won't. So get a -g-f. Well, I should have forced it down, so I guess not. All right, well, we've already got the PK update PKI timer set up, so oh no, I've got to keep hitting up until I find the requisite. No, 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 no. Okay, this second one is actually local instead of locale. Okay, well, it's got them, and it's just throwing a hissy. But I guess we will override Mozilla Trust. So, open SSL x509 509-in etc SSL certs /make believe _ca_root.pem /enter x /enter fingerprint /enter -set alias disabled make believe yall make believe ca root and /enter add reject. That is how I spell reject correctly. Yep, server auth /enter add reject email protection /enter add reject code signing /enter, and then this goes into /etc SSL local /disabled make live _ca_root .pem and slash user sbin make ca Oh lord, right. Couldn't open file URI loading certificates from... Okay, so we won't override the trust for that. So I'm assuming that if I try and download curl now, I should be able to get it. So, no. wget https:// curl.se/download/curl curl hyphen 8.2.1.tar.xz. Yay. My certificates aren't correct. Wonderful. Hello, Tilly. Hello, Joseph. Wonderful. So, let's just reboot the system and come back. Look, it boots up perfectly now. Right, so it still can't. Do I have to go through the entirety of wget again? I'm going to have to, aren't I? Probably. Right. Who's in it with me? Right, so clear. Where are we? So rm-r p11. No, I don't want to remove that one. rm-r make ca. That I can remove because it's just a directory, not a tar. So tar-xv -xvf lib tasn cd lib ta. Help if I could type. Jesus Christ. Right. /configure prefix equals /user disable static and time make -jtho. You'll have a little lemony biscuits whilst we wait for this to load. My nose feels significantly clearer now that I've been eating these, because they taste of lemon. Lemon is nice. Right. Okay, so it's just simple as time make install. Make -C doc/reference refrence install data local. Done. Right, now that we've done libtasn, we now need to do p11 kit again. Then make ca, then curl. So where are we? So leave this directory, remove this directory, libtasn tar-xvf p11 kit again, cd p11 kit again. So now that we've done that, If I just keep hitting up, am I gonna find the Oh, I might actually find it. Okay, so it's I am using the microphone that was sent to me by a fan of mine. They know exactly who they are, and I am absolutely still using it to this day. It is a wonderful microphone, and if you give me a second, I'll tell you exactly what it is. It is the White Shark Zonus microphone. And even better, if you give me uno momento por favor, I might even be able to get you a direct link to it. If my brain will let me catch up. And if I did this correctly. Evidently I did not. So it is the White Shark Zonus microphone. Oh no, I love that. You search for White Shark Zonus microphone in Google, and who's the first video that pops up? It's me. Oh, I love that. Oh no. I feel like an imposter now whenever people search for that. If I can find it, there we go. So, now I can put. So that's the microphone. Unfortunately I could not. I could not bring the cooler with me, so I had to get another tower cooler whilst over here. I got myself another deep cool tower cooler because it works brilliantly. And yeah, my system is cold at the minute, which is good. Right. It does, because I've kicked the hell out of it multiple times since I've been here. And I just so happen to be in the hottest place in the house at the minute. And then it's what? I should tell you what, to just save myself the issues, I'm just going to retype it all out. Oh yeah, just as a little proofy of concept terminal, open up. OBS, come here, let me just show that off. And we will just do screen capture, because this is the version of OBS that isn't broken. Make sure it's, there we go. Ta-da! There we go. This is the system specs at the minute. Still using XP Luna, still got my 3060 as well as my... Where is it? Brain catch up. You're finding it. CPU. There we go. My brain no work. It is still very much alive, and my brain is very much not. Oh lord. I like how it's like 3.847 gigahertz. Like, I like specificity. Specificity is nice. I do talk to him as often as I can do. He is doing very well, and he is saying water like he is from the UK. I love that. His gift that I couldn't send sooner because I had COVID has now been sent, and I can confirm that it will be arriving no later than this coming Saturday. Not the Saturday upcoming, not this Saturday. It did not cost me as much as I thought it would to send it internationally from Australia, which I am very much happy with. So that has been sent, which I am very much happy with. Get interface. So that has been sent. I'm very happy with that. On my brain, I just need to figure out a job for me over here so I can remain here, because the jobs I have been applying for, I have said, oh yeah, we'll hire you, have now backtracked. So yeah, or have just ignored me entirely. Modules, I swear I can spell. Modules.c, enter. So, said, apostrophe, 20, comma, $, space D, apostrophe, hyphen I, trust, extract, compact, and cat into trust/rust. Oh no, it's fine. Like I should be filling you in more often, so that's actually kind of my fault. I just feel like 2 ping pong balls rattling around inside my head. That's because, unfortunately, I had to come off my meds because I can't get a prescription for my meds until I'm in a job. But I can't get my prescription redone. Existing and modifications 2/etc SSL local. So /user lib exec makes, yeah, it is going. I'm currently applying on average for at least 10 jobs a day. So hopefully tomorrow, because today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, I will start getting answers back, because over Christmas time in Australia, everyone leaves the office on the 22nd and returns on the 7th or the 8th, depending on which one's a Monday. Because the 8th is a Monday, I should hopefully start getting responses back. So tomorrow I will be sending out a bunch of emails again. Modifications. And then hash update trust stores /user sbin make va uf. Right, now it's time to install P11 kit again. So make directory P11 build cd P11 build. Okay, good. So Python setup /enter prefix equals /user /enter, and then we want build type equals release /enter hyphen capital D trust underscore paths equals /etc /pki /anchors and Ninja. Well, that's the plan, because I just need to get myself a job. Once I got myself a job, I'm set. Like everything else is for, like, everything else I'm sorted. It's just a job. Once I get myself a job that'll sponsor me to stay here, so I don't have to spend. So on every 3 months, I don't have to go to New Zealand for a day and fly back here. Hopefully, that's all I need. Just need myself a job. And then Ninja install and link sfv user lib exec P11 kit trust extract compact /enter user bin update CA certificates, enter. Okay. So ln-sfv dot slash pkcs 11 slash p11 hyphen kit hyphen trust dot so slash user lib lib nssckbi dot so, enter. Where am I now? So leave rm hyphen r p11. I will do. I'm just, once I am no longer ping pong balls rattling around inside my own head, I will absolutely. I just need to catch up. You sleep well, my Croatian friend, and I hope you have a good one, and I hope you have a good Sunday when you wake up. Meanwhile, I'm going to spend the next 2 and a bit hours doing this. Have a good one, Miss Love. Miss Love, there we go. I will say it correctly. Right, so there is P11 kit. Moving on to make CA. Okay. So now that we've done make CA, well, now that we've done P11 kit, we now need to do make CA. So tar-xvf, make CA, cd, make CA. So make install and install hyphen bdm 755 etc ssl local. Okay. So user sbin make ca hyphen g get. Why is it not getting it? I'm gonna have to do this the hard way, aren't I? Make ca cert data.txt. Yeah, because I can't grab this at all. Yeah, I can't get it. Is it really just the fact that it's... I now know why MakeCA was not working. So apparently, MakeCA 1.12 does not like it. So guess I now need to go get MakeCA 1.13. Yay. Okay, so MakeCA 1.13. So where am I right now? Leave this directory, rm-r make-ca. So wget https://github.com/lfs book/v1.13/makeca-1.13.tar.xz. That's now gonna say, so I want no check. Certificate. Hello again, new CPPS fan. How we doing? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome back. We're having to redo Make CA because Make CA is not having fun with us, and we're having to get Make CA 1.13 instead of using the recommended 1.12. Oh, what version? XFCE lib TASN 1. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. So tar-xvf makes CA 1.13. Yeah, okay, so 1.12 was not working. So CD make CA 1.13. 1.12 was not having it. So make install and install -vdm 755 etc ssl local. If I fit so sits. That's exactly what made me think there. So now that we've done that, it's help if I was actually in the right bloody window. So slash user sbin make ca -g. Ay. Okay, there's all the certificates I've been needing this entire time. There's all the certificates I couldn't get. Thank God. Right. Is missing CK public key info attribute. Do not load files into. That's fine. That'll be fine. So I now need to create a Oh yeah, I don't need to worry about that because it's set to automatic update anyway. But I need to add in additional certificates, which I can do with this. First things first, make sure I am in the correct directory. Okay, I am. www.http://www.ca-cert.org/search/roots.crt and wget http://ca-cert.org/class3.crt and open SSL x509 -in roots.crt text fingerprint set alias, and we want to do ca cert class1 root /enter add trust server auth add trust email protection add trust code signing /enter into /etc ssl local this time around instead of locale local ca cert _ class _1 _roots.pem and scroll this page down a bit. Where is the mouse? There's the mouse. And open SSL x509 -in class3.crt -text -fingerprint hyphen set alias. And then we want to do CA cert class 3 root quotation backslash enter hyphen add trust server auth. There we go. I will get that eventually. And then let's do add trust email protection add trust code signing HENING I'm missing one. Server auth email protection add trust server auth add trust email protection add trust code signing. Okay, no, I'm not missing anything. It just felt off there for a second. So this goes into etc ssl local. There we go. CA cert underscore class underscore 3 underscore roots.pem and slash user sbin make CA hyphen R. Done. Have a sip of the coffee. I feel like something threw a wobbly somewhere, but it hasn't. Okay, so in theory, I do mean in theory, it should now be possible to download curl. Oh god, I just need curl. Right, leave the directory. wget https://curl.se/download curl dash 8.2.1 .tara exit. There we go. Finally. Tar hyphen x. Oh, rm hyphen r make ca 1.13. That just removes the directory, not the actual archive. So tar hyphen xvf curl td curl. Finally, I can use things like, I don't know, git. Right, so /configure prefix equals slash user backslash enter disable static backslash enter with OpenSSL backslash enter enable threaded resolver backslash enter hyphen with CA path equals slash etc slash SSL slash certs and I make -230. We will have a lemon biscuit dipped in coffee. Hopefully make the throat feel better. Right. Okay, so now we need to install it, which we can do with make install and rm-rf docs /examplis /deps and catch the brain up find backslash bracket hyphen name make file backslash asterisk hyphen o backslash hyphen name backslash asterisk dot one dot one. There we go. -o \enter -name \**3 -o and then -name c make lists .txt .txt. There we go. Catch it up. \bracket -delete catch the brain up. That would be nice. And copy -v capital R docs capital T /user doc curl -8.2.1. Okay. Which now means I should be able to install Git. rm-r curl r-xvf https www.kernel.org/pub software/git-2.4.41.0.tar.gxz. Oh, oh, I hate myself sometimes. I've just told it, please extract this web link, not download from it. Oh, I love how I do that so many times that I should really just make that into a link. It is when it's functional, and it is, which I'm glad with, except my brain is like 2 ping pong balls rattling around inside my skull. Okay, now that we've got this, so -xvf git cd git, so ./configure -prefix /user \enter -with git config /etc/git config \enter -with python equals python 3 and time make -30. And you may notice that you're not getting absolutely the bitrate actually the product of the stream actually looks significantly better because I shoved the bitrate up to the maximum YouTube will allow to make sure it actually works. I do not have ASCII doc installed, so I'm not going to no, we can ignore that. So now as root make perl lib directory equals /user lib perl 5/5.38 /site_perl install. Done. Okay. Because I didn't get any documentation, we can just ignore that. Okay, we now have Git. So next thing, neofetch. Okay, is this actually okay, so I actually have to go to the Git for it. So github.com/dylanaraps neofetch. Oh, my brain needs to catch up. So installation, and then we're not doing universal install. I'm going to have to build this from source. I'm gonna have to build this from source, aren't I? Yeah. So, first things first. Find a build from source. So Arch, OS District, Alpine, Android, Arch, Bunsen Labs, Crux, Debian. None of those. FreeBSD, no. GoGo, iOS, iPad, Mac OS, Nix, Slackware, Solus, Ubuntu, Void, OpenSUSE, or Windows. No. So we are going to have to build from source. Okay, so first off, where are we? We are here. So rm-r git. So just remove the directory we've just been working out of. So git master. So diddly d, diddly d. Okay, so I want code releases. Because you have to build it from source. So open link in the tab. It is this one here. So wget https github.com/dylanarips neofetch/archivg/refs/tags/7.1.0.tar.gz. Good. I have successfully downloaded it correctly. Right. Now I need to come down to installation. Universal install. Nope, not universal install. Okay, so r-xvf. Actually, I should have done it this way around. Excuse me, I'm having a dumb. //github.com/dylan arap/neofetch. I should have just done it like that. So cd neofetch. Right. So time make install. Ta-da! We have neofetch. It actually works from anywhere, which is good. Which is exactly what I wanted. So, ta-da! Yeah, so most of this is going to have to be changed because it's still calling for the old release information. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to go to the read online, stable alpha system D, scroll right the way down to the bottom. Is it additional resources? Nope. It's not rebooting the system. It's not that one. Okay, so cat/etc/lfs release. That would be correct. So, and that would be lsb release. Okay, yeah, so I need to fill this out. So, vim/etc/lsb release. So insert ID is going to be kernel panic from scratch. Code name kernel panic from scratch. Kernel panic from scratch. And then distribution description kernel panic from scratch. Done. So if I now do neofetch, Kernel panics from scratch. Huzzah! That's working. Good. And then I should change the OS release. So vim/etc/os release. And then version that. So it's going to be pretty name, kernel panic from scratch. Insert kernel panic from scratch, and then version code name kernel panic from scratch. So now if I do done, good, that's what I wanted. Okay, we can now move on. So we wanted to get kernel pack, we wanted to get curl sorted out so we can then download things without it screaming you don't have the right certificates, which we've now done. Then, sorry, I was just having a drink. We wanted to get started on XFace. Mr. Fitzpatrick. XFCE. Mr. Fitzpatrick recommended that we go with XFace. And at this point, I am inclined to agree. So, first things first, I hope we're all having a wonderful day so far, my friends. We are going to begin. Yes, wording. Brain, catch up. There we go. So, minimize that. Have a quick sneeze. Sorry about that. Yes, you did. Welcome along, Pip. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. We are going with XFace for desktop environment. Oh no. Right. So for libxface4util, we need, it is required that we have glib 2.76.4 and go object introspection 1.76.1. So let's first look at glib 2.76.4. glib 2.76.4 recommends, it is recommended that I have libxslt and PCRE2. As we know from the past, any recommended package is actually mandatory. So we will do XLT. It is required for XSLT that we have XML2. For XML2, it is... What do I need for XML2? I don't need anything for XML2. Okay. Oh god. Right. Where am I? I'm here. I can't remove that because that is the thing. Right. Okay, good, that is still working. So for libxml2-2.10.4, I need to download that. So wget https://sources/libxml2-2.10/libxml2-2.10.4.tar.xz. Okay. You know, I've just been thinking, this would be a really nice time to actually have a frame buffer driver. So before we continue any further, let's actually sort that out. So make Mr. Proper make menu config. Right. And before we proceed any further, I am gonna grab the correct information to make sure I don't screw this up when it comes time. So stable LFS system D, scroll right hand the bottom of the page. That one. Right, so. Okay, so where is virtualization? No. Memory management device drivers? No, no, no. Kernel packet? No. Right. General setup then. Okay, right. POSIX message queues. No, don't need to worry about that. Where is my graphics? Which, if I remember correctly, it's going to be right down the bottom of this one. Nope. Processor type and features. Build a relocatable kernel. Yes. I've got to find it now and I can't find it. Unless I'm having a dump. It's entirely possible I'm having a dump. Don't discount that. I'm potentially having a dump. Okay. Auditing support IQ time preemptive. No. Quad no. RCU kernel config no, enable kernel no. CPU kernel print ID no. Scheduler no. Control group namespaces checkpoint automatic process kernel no. RAM file system RAM disk no. Init RAM FS no. Bootcon no. Nope. This is not an embedded system. No. Okay, so it must be somewhere else. German architecture. No. It'd be in device drivers, won't it? And then usually it's right near the bottom. I know there is actually a way of me searching it, but on the other hand, I've tried doing it before and I absolutely broke it. Generic power cap, no. Generic, no. Mailbox, no. Clock, hardware, spin lock drivers, no. Microsoft Surface platform specific device drivers. Oh, I like how they're there. That's funny. Growbus, Microsoft Hyper-V, no. vhost, IO. Actually, no. Virtualization, no. VFIO, no. InfiniBand, no. LED, no. Memory stick cards, oh my god, that is going back. Sound card, compute graphics, there we go. It only took me an age to find it. Right. Okay, so because this is a... I'll enable Nouveau. Press GPU error state, no. Because it's not VMware, we don't need that. Matrix 2XL, VIO GPU driver, yeah. Display panels, no. Display interface printers, no. DRM Cirrus. Simple frame buffer driver, yes. That way I can actually use things. Cirrus, no. Space Vega, Epson. I don't need Epson, no. NVIDIA frame buffer support. And the reason why I'm going with NVIDIA frame buffer support is because that's what card is in here. No. Right. Make sure there's nothing else that might need it. Boot up logo. Yes, if I see the boot up logo, that means I've done it correctly. So, do this, do that, save, exit. Unfortunately, seeing as I have no way of listening to music today, we will be listening to this without the typical Slipknot by Neo Forte. If things don't work, it's because I don't have that song playing. So, time, make one show. I am religiously superstitious about listening to the same song every time I go to build a Linux kernel. And I mean religiously superstitious. Anyone who's ever watched any of the previous live streams know that I am religiously superstitious about listening to the same song every single time. I go to compile the kernel. And I don't have it this time round because my earphones are at the wrong house. My earphones are around 20-30 kilometers away in the opposite direction. Maybe a bit more. So whilst we wait, I am actually gonna have some of my coffee. I'm gonna drink some more of it. Oh, I needed that. I really did. No, I just died last night. Oh, correction, yesterday afternoon. Because I've not exactly been feeling 100% alive recently. I slept for so long. And that's not an exaggeration either. I really did sleep for an age. Oh God, no, stop. Oh my God. Right, now, oh, there we go. Now it took 2 minutes, 2 seconds. This is why I enjoy having my CPU. And then time make -J30 modules install. Done. It took 1/6 of a second. It took 600ths of a second. Right. Copy -iv arch -x /x86 /boot /bz image /boot /vm lins. Yes. Copy -iv system.map /boot system map. Yes. Copy -iv .config to /boot /config. Yes. And then copy -r document -r documentation -t /user share doc Linux. That's not going to ask me for a second one for that one. So reboot. Yes, I see my penguins. I have a frame buffer driver. Nice. Finally, I have a frame buffer driver. Very, very, very nice. Right, it is alive. So what I'm going to do is I just need to quickly take a screenshot on my phone and send it to my person. And then we are good. So what I can now carry on doing is sorting out XFace, which I'm very happy with. Right, so, okay, where are we? So, Neofeth fetch. There we go. So, dd LFS sources. Right, we can actually start. So libxml2. So tar-xvf libxml xml2 cd libxml2. You've given me the weather forecast for in the wrong place. Weather. Oh, I love it when it does that. Right, anyway. Where are we? We are there. Okay, so /configure prefix equals /user /enter sys conf directory equals /etc /enter disable static /enter with history /enter python equals /user bin python 3 /enter doc directory equals /user share doc lib xml 2-2.2-2.10.4 there we go, and time make minus j30. Very nice. It's nice to finally have a frame buffer driver, even if it is a simple one. It's now working. Right, so I did not download the optional test suite because I didn't want it, so that can stop being silly. Time make install. 1 second. It took literally 1 second. I love that. Right. Now that I've done libxml2, and I need to do libxslt. It is recommended that I also have docbook XML 4.5 and docbook-xsl-nons. So, docbook XML 4.5. What does docbook XML... Okay, so docbook 4.5 XML has the dependencies of libxml2, which we've just got, sgml common, and unzip or libarchive. So we will do sgml common. What does sgml common need? It needs nothing. So that's good. Okay. So we will get that first. So where are we now? We are there. Leave the directory, remove the directory. This is just to prevent issues in the future. So we are here, clear. So wget ftp //ftp. No, actually, okay. So it's just wget ftp /sourceware.org/pub/docbook tools/new trials/sources/sgml common 0.6.0.6.3.tgz. Good. tar-xvf sgml. I know that date's wrong. That's fine. I don't care. The time is wrong. It still thinks it's GMT, not AEDT. That's fine. I don't mind it. So cd sgml common. Now that we are We also need to grab a patch for it, which means we need to leave the directory wget https:// Linux from scratch.org/patches/BLFS/12.0/SGML common dash 0.6.3 hyphen man page dash 1.patch. Good. So cd SGML. So I need to apply the patch at patch capital N P1 -I /SGML common dash manpage.1 patch and auto reconf -F -I. It should be configured.ac, not configured.in. Well, it's installed it anyway, so that's fine. And now we need to do ./configure prefix equals /user, and then sysconf directory equals /etc, and time make -30. Done. I like that. Does not come with a test suite. Now, as the root user, we need to do various things. So, first things first, make doc directory equals /user doc install and install catalog add etc SGML /SGML ent.cat \enter /user share SGML ISO entities ENTITIES 8879.1986 catalog and install catalog hyphen add etc SGML docbook.cat \enter /etc /SGML -ent.cat. Jesus Christ. How many more times can I say SGML in an SGML instructions? Jesus Christ. Okay, now that we've done SGML common, I now need to do I need to do unzip. For unzip, I do not need anything else. So I am okay. Okay, so pwd, leave the directory, remove the directory, SGML common. Okay, so I need to download it and its patch. So wget https://downloads.sourceforge.org/sourceforge.net, even that's weird. Info zip /unzip 60.tar.gz, and then the patch, which is https wget https:// Linux from scratch.org /patches/BLFS/4.0/unzip -6.0-consolidated _fixes -1.patch. Okay, -xvf unzip unzip 60. cd unzip 60. Right, now that we've done that, right, we first need to apply the patch. I was just reading some other part of the documentation, it's fine. So patch hyphen capital N lowercase p1 hyphen I dot slash dot slash unzip consolidate patches, apply patch, and then make hyphen f unix slash make file generic. I don't mind running this without the 30 calls available to it. It's fine. Detach the couple mat from the cup. Oop, trying to drop the cup, all the cup mat. That would be a bad idea. Now that we've done that, we need to do make prefix equals slash user man directory equals slash user share man 1 backslash enter hyphen f unix slash make file install. Bada boom. Okay, now that I've done unzip for docbook, I have now done everything that I need to do for docbook XML. So where are we? Leave the directory, remove the directory. On to the next one. So wget http s://doc book.org/xml/4.5 docbook -xml-4.5 dot zip. Done. So now I've done that, it is unzip docbook.xml.zip. Hello, Peter. Oh, don't just, oh my fucking god. It had to do it, didn't it? Oh, I hate zip files. Make directory docbook. Make directory doc book. Move docbook -xml zip to docbook. Why does it do that? There we go. Right. What is this story of yours, Peter? Story time. Install -v -d -m 755. User share XML doc book /xml -dtd -4.5 and huh, well, that's nice. I could have done the same yesterday with Kate had I felt like not shit. -m 755 /etc/xml and copy -v -af no reserve equals owner ship doc book dot cat asterisk dot dtd ent slash asterisk dot mod /enter slash user share xml doc book xml DTD 4.5. Oh, that's not fun. Oh, that's not good. Hello, Joseph. Oh, basically everything just decides to go dead. Okay, so this is one of these times where I need to go to GitHub. All LEDs just go, haha, no. And things die. Okay, so I need to create a new file. Ah, that's not good. That's not supposed to do that. That's the battery dying. If you can't even turn on your hazards, that's the battery just going. Nah, mate. That is genuinely just the battery going. Nah, mate. Check 48-volt system. As is reasonable. You do the smart thing. It's like, hey, I've died because my friend's car has decided to take a shit. Where? Really? Oh, I called DTD the first time round. Oh, of course I did. User GitHub user content.com/. Where's the logs? Yeah. All grain. Okay, that's strange. Something electrically is not happy with that car. Something electrically is not happy with that car. There is no reason for it to be doing that. Good. Something is not is electrically not happy with that car. There is absolutely no bloody reason for it to be doing that. Good idea. And hello, dead carbon boy. Always happy to help. Right. Just before DTD version. Oh, I need to reopen GitHub, don't I? Yep. Yeah, most of these are just chunks of code that I have. I have them in a GitHub repository because of this exact reason. What was it? That one I just created 3 minutes ago, 2 weeks ago. What do I need to do? It is for DTD version. Okay. Yeah, that's called several thousands of whatever currency you are using wherever you are in the world. Doc conf. Comment changes, comment changes. Yeah, that would cost a lot of bloody money. So wget https:// raw.github user contents.com/1/test main doc conf ch mod plus x conf /doc conf. Done, so I don't have to do it. Yeah, no, that's an electrical issue. In my qualified experience, that is an electrical issue of some variety going, no, I'm gonna work for you. Right. I have now done DocBook XML. Good. This is all required for libxslt. I now need to do DocBook XSL hyphen not. Right. Yeah. I should hope so. Okay, so I don't need to do anything else for DocBook XSL nons because I've already got libxml2 done. Thank God. Yeah, if the engine's not even turning over, that is a starter. Well, no, it's not even a yeah, it's a starter because it's not even getting enough power from the battery. That's what that would be. Okay, so wget https:// github.com/docbooks/xslt10 style sheets /releases/download release 1.779.2 /docbook XSL nons -1.779.2 .tar.bz2. Oh, and I typed it out wrong. Oh. Honestly, you did the best thing you could, Peter. So, good on you, man. You should be proud of yourself. I, meanwhile, have now got to retype everything out because I did it wrong. wget https://github.com/docbook/xslt 10 style sheets /releases /download /release /1.79.2 docbook XSL-NONS 1.79.2 .tar.bz2. There we go. I actually got it right this time around. Still, you did the right thing. You were as calm as you could be considering the situation, so good on you, man. One must imagine Sisyphus happy. Oh, you got it in this time. Yeah. tar-xvf docbook XSL nons XVF. Why did I do it as XVD? I don't bloody know. Docbook XSL nons. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. It needs a patch. tar-xvf. No, get https:// Linux from scratch.org/patches/blfs/12.0/doc book-xsl-nons-1.79.2 stack underscore fix -1 dot patch. There we go. cd docbook -xsl Duke. Yes, Duke. Oh my god. Brain catch up. Okay. Okay, so patch -capital N lowercase p number the first -I / docbook xsl nons 1.72 stack dot patch. Okay. I did not get the downloaded of the extra. I did not get the extra documentation. There we go. Oh, my brain. It needs to stop having ping pong balls running around inside of it. Right, okay. Now that we've done that, I now must install it using this very, very long command. So, Sisyphus will be happy. So, let's begin. Where are we? We are here. So, clear. It's appropriate resolution for higher quality. Oh, that's funny. -v -m 75755 -d/user share xml docbook /xsl style 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 sheets -nons -1.1 nons -1.79.2 and copy -verbose recursively version ASSEMBLY assembly common ECLIPSE EPUB 3 extensions FO /enter highlight HTML help images Java help lib man pages parameters /enter profiling round trip slides template tests tools web help website /enter xhtml xhtml-1_1 xhtml5 xhtml5 there we go. xhtml xhtml there we go. Jesus Christ. -1_1 xhtml5 there we go. backslash enter to user share XML doc book slash XSL hyphen style. Thank you very much for the subscription, dead carbon boy. My brain needs to stop being like feeling crap. Style sheets hyphen nons hyphen 1.779.2 and yes, I have been for at least 3-4 weeks now. LN-S version. What else is terrifying? Oh no, that would definitely be fucking terrifying. That would absolutely be terrifying. Oh yeah, I have the same sort of thing here in Australia. On occasion, there is just no hard shoulder. And when you're going uphill, the 2 left lanes are for lorries and buses, and then the 1 right lane is for all other traffic. So if you were to break down doing 100 k's in the right lane with no hard shoulder on the left 2 lanes, you best hope there is nothing there in the way, because otherwise you are going to become paste. User share XML doc book slash XSL hyphen style. Did I spell style right? Yes, I did. Sheets hyphen NONS hyphen 1.779.2 hyphen version dot XSL. And I really do hope I get worse. I don't feel great. Install hyphen V hyphen M 644 hyphen capital D. Readme. Let's hope I've got this right on first attempt. I will cry if I have not. Slash user share doc book hyphen XSL hyphen NONS hyphen 1.79.2 slash readme dot txt and install hyphen V hyphen M 644 release hyphen notes asterisk news asterisk backslash enter slash user share doc book hyphen XSL hyphen NONS hyphen 1.79.2. Oh, it did it all perfectly first time around. Oh my god, thank fuck. I would have been incredibly upset had that not gone well. Hang on, what do I need to do here? Oh, joy. Can I just quickly see if I can't connect to this fucking virtual machine? What's the IP of this virtual machine? Okay. SSH root 192.168.122.3. Oh, I can't because it doesn't have... Oh my god, please kill me. Oh lord. I need to... Oh my god. What time is it? What, it's midnight there? Oh yeah, it'd be midnight for you, wouldn't it? How long have I been going? Ah, I have another hour. Yeah, so there is another hour of this, by the way. Well, I'm glad you had a good day, Peter, with the amusement park. And although the car was not amusing, I'm glad you had a good day overall. I now have to talk to myself. I'll send you a message later on today when I'm actually coherent. Because apparently I have a voicemail. I swear to God, if this voicemail is about me getting a job, I'm gonna cry. No, I applied for a job. I applied for a job here, and it said, "Hey, look, this has been viewed by employer," and then just once, and like 30 seconds later, I then get an email saying your application for this job has been denied. It's like, well, thanks. Viewed by the employer. 30 seconds later, you are denied. He's like, damn. Thanks. Okay, well that has been viewed by employer, so that is good. Right, anyway, let's make life easy for ourselves, shall we? So, github.com, main test tree. You see, I need to get myself a job here in Australia by the 25th of February. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get on a plane, go to New Zealand, spend a day in New Zealand, and then come back over here. And I can't be doing that every 3 months. It's going to get expensive. XML cat. XML cat. So, where are we? Oh, you see, I can't. Yeah. Yeah, I can't be back and forthing. Wget https://github.raw.github user content.com/nick matthews-1/test/main/xml-cat. That is what I called it. chmod plus x xml cat ./xml-cat. This is so I do not have to manually type it all out. And then what I now need to do is I will manually type this one out because it's not going to take me an absolute age to do. So once again, XML catalog hyphen no out hyphen add rewrite rewrite system that \enter and then quotation http ://doc.book.source forge.net/release/xsl No, I don't need to do that. That's fine. I can ignore that. I don't need to do that. Right. So now that I've done DocBook XML and DocBook XSL nons 1.79.2, I can now do libxslt. Oh my god, all of this for libxslt. Right. pwd. Leave the directory, remove the directory. The reason why you do this is so you don't if I need to come back to it, I've got to do it all again to make sure it's actually done properly. So ls type grep xslt. Okay, so wget https ://download.gnome.org/ sources slash libxslt slash 1.1 slash libxslt dash 1.1.38.tar.xz. Okay, I put that in correctly. So tar-xvf libxslt cd libxslt. Okay. So we are now in the correct directory. So clear /configure prefix / user / enter disable static / enter doc directory / user share doc / libxslt dash 1.1.38 / enter python / user share user bin python 3 and time make -j30. Good. Time I can install. Good. Okay. Alright, I totally haven't done this a billion times already. Right, now that I have done libxslt, try saying that 3 times fast. libxslt 1.1.38. 1.1.38, there we go. Yep. I now need to do PCRE2 for glib. Right. Hello PCRE2. What was my I don't care about Twitter, sorry, X. Right, so for PCRE2, I don't need anything. I don't need to download anything other than PCRE2 itself. So what I now need to do is cry. Leave this directory, remove libxslt. So wget https://github.com/PCRE2 project /PCRE2/releases/download /PCRE2 PCRE2-10.42/10.42.tar.bz2. I did not mess it up, that's good. So tar-xvf PCRE2 cd PCRE2. Clear. Good. So now it's the configuration instructions. Yay. ./configure prefix / user / enter doc directory / user share doc PCRE2-10.42 / enter enable Unicode. Yes, enable Unicode, that is a good one. And then enable JIT / enter -- enable PCRE2-16. I'm guessing that's for 16-bit variations. And then enable enable PCRE2-32. I'm guessing that's for no. Stop. Clear. PCRE2-32 / enter. There we go. Enable enable. There we go. Hello, Stanley Crowley. No, I am not installing Arch. This is my custom Linux from scratch operating system called Kernel Panic from scratch. I am attempting to install an Xface desktop environment, and I need to install all of the requisite packages by hand with the configuration instructions by hand. Enable PCRE2 grep libz /enter, enable PCRE2 grep-lib. This is attempt number, I don't know. I couldn't do it the first time round. I couldn't install desktop environment the first time round because the one xorg would not compile zinc _sri dot d. GitHub, come here. I'll tell you which one it wouldn't compile. Xorg would not compile zinc _dri.so. It wouldn't compile it, meaning I couldn't actually do anything. Oh, so fun. Lib libbz2 libbz2, that's correct. And so backslash, and I want to do enable PCRE2 test -lib reline /enter, and then disable static and I'm make monster thing. There we go. Yeah, we had to spend a little bit of time just crying at the operating system because there's NeoFetch, by the way, because I can't remember what it was now. There was a bit of software that I needed to be able to get make CA working to give me security certificates, but it wouldn't work because it was the wrong version. Also, why are you seeing two monitors? NeoFetch. There isn't. I don't. But yes, my operating system is using 294 MB worth of RAM. It's glorious. Anyway, clear the screen. Let's continue with PCRE2. And that is PCRE2 done. So now I can look at glib 2.76.4. Luckily for me, I now don't need anything else other than what I already have here, which is good. So, which directory am I in? So, leave this directory, remove the directory PCRE2. The reason why I do this is so I don't have just empty directory sitting around here. Yes, hang on. So, this is what my custom operating system is using. And if I now come here and open up a terminal, and then run a comparison, clear NeoFetch, drop it here, grab OBS, and then just set it so OBS can also see that one as well. And so what I have here is my Debian system is using 9 gigs compared to the 292 MB that the virtual machine is using. I am also streaming off of the CPU as well because OBS does not like that. I need to compile a custom version of OBS. But anyway, and yes, my entire desktop does look like Windows XP. That's why it's like that for. I like it. It looks funny. Confuses the hell out of people when they see it. They go, "What the fuck? Are you using Windows XP?" No, I'm using Debian 12. What the fuck's that? Trust me, you don't want to know. Well, actually, you do. It's not my custom desktop, so it's fine. It's not kernel panic from scratch, so it's fine. Anyway, where are we? We're here. So clear wget ftp //ftp.acc.umu.se/pub/gnome/ sources slash glib slash 2.76 slash glib dash 2.76.4 dot tar dot xz. Okay, good. I put that in correctly. Good. I just need to download a patch with this as well. So wget https colon slash linux from scratch.org slash patches slash blfs slash 12.0 dash 12.0 slash glib hyphen skip underscore warnings dash 1 patch hyphen xvf glib 2.72 dash 2.76.4 is that the one I just downloaded? It is. So dd glib dash 2.76.4 patch hyphen capital N lowercase p number the first hyphen I dot slash glib skip warnings dot done. Okay, so this is now done. What I can now do is compile it, which I need to do with make directory build as it wants its own build directory. Engage the brain. Mason setup slash backslash enter. A hyphen prefix equals slash user backslash enter. Hyphen build type equals release backslash enter hyphen capital D man equals true and ninja. Excuse me whilst I hit the wrong key on the keyboard. Whoopsies. Oh, if I remember correctly, this might be the one that overflows my RAM. Yeah, so there's a funny thing. I'll explain. Error that's fine. That error there is fine. It specifically says if libxslt 1.1.3a is installed, the above command may indicate several about 33 errors that start with error no ID for constraint link end. Which is that? When generating the man pages, these are harmless, so I don't need to worry. Every so often, that there's like 1 or 2 packages that will run me entirely out of swap space. It'll run me out of the 16 gigs of RAM this virtual machine has, and the 4 gigs of swap space. And then it'll cause the virtual machine it'll cause the session to restart. And the only way that I had around this, that I came across, was to generate a 100 gigabyte swap disk, attach it to the virtual machine, and then run it. And that still used 16 gigs. Oh no, what was it now? It was about 20, it used 21 gigs of the swap space. This virtual machine only has 16 gigs of RAM. If it's using the 16 gig plus an additional 21, that is more than my system has in its entirety. I have 32 gigs of RAM on this system. It was trying to use more than my system physically had attached into it, which I found funny. So yes, 100 gigs worth of swap space. Had to do that once. Right. Ninja install and make directory -p slash user share slash doc slash glib dash 2.76 76.4 and copy recursively dot slash docs reference slash brace gio lib comma go object objc brace slash user share doc glib dash 2.76.4. I'm going to ignore those warnings and pretend that's fine. Did I type that out wrong? I did type that out wrong. I typed it out wrong twice. Oh my god. Oh lord. Right. Now that I have done glib 2.76.4, I can now look at lib xface4util -4.18.1, except I now need to do g-object introspection 1.76.1, which requires glib 2.76.4, which I have just done. So that's fine. I just need to get g-object introspection. glib 2.76.4 tar wget https:// no ftp://ftp.acc.umu.se/pubs/gnome/sources/g-object hyphen introspection/1.76 slash g-object introspection dash 1.1.76.1.tar.xz. There we go. Jesus wept. Holy hell, this takes some time. There we go. Does this, before I go any further, does this need a patch? No, it does not. Okay, that's good. tar-xvf g-object introspection cd g-object introspection. Okay. So now that I've done that, where are we? We are there. So make directory build cd build Mason setup hyphen prefix equals /user as is the normal hyphen build type equals release, which is the normal, and then dot and ninja. I'm so glad I gave Ninja access to all 30 cores that this virtual machine has. This virtual machine has access to 30 of my 32 cores. Because speed, I am not waiting around. And then Ninja install. Done. Okay. Leave the directory. Print rm-r g-object introspection. Right. Lib xface4util. It is also recommended that I have Veiler. So let's look at Veiler. Veiler, it is required that I have glib 2.76.4, which I have installed. It is also recommended that I have Graphiz required for Veiler doc. Because I don't have Veiler doc, because I'm not going to be doing anything with Veiler doc, I'm not going to touch it. Never mind, I have to touch it. I have to touch Graphiz. Graphiz requires nah. Do I need anything else? No, okay, good. I'm just gonna download Graphiz. So where are we? wget https://gitlab.com/gra phviz/graphviz slash comma slash, well, apostrophe, Aston hyphen slash archive slash 8.1.0 slash graphviz dash 8.1.0.tar.bz2. There we go. How large is this bloody package? Jesus wept. No, it's only 25 meg. That's reasonable. Right, okay. So now that we've done that, it is right, so I can ignore all of these because they're all optional, so I don't need to worry about it. So tar-xvf graphiz cd graphiz. My cup of coffee is empty, I am sad. cd graphiz. Install graphiz by running the following commands. sed-i, that's to replace something. Apostrophe slash l lib post fix equals quotation 64 quotation slash s slash 64 slash apostrophe on figure.ac and dot slash autogen dot sh and dot slash configure prefix equals slash user backslash enter, and then hyphen doc directory equals slash user share doc grap h viz dash 8.1.0 enter. Git is installed, shut up. It's not throwing any errors other than the fact it's like, Git's not installed. When it is installed, because I installed, that was the first thing I did. That was the first thing I did today. It's installed, that's fine. Okay. Sed-i apostrophe. This I need to run to actually set a meaning to get a meaningful date in the version string. I just need to do this. S slash 0 slash $sign bracket date plus percent y percent lowercase m percent lowercase d bracket / quotation build dates.h. Run that again. Now once we're done with that, it's just going to be time make -J30 and then time make install. Hello, Catamus. I have myself a Catamus. I have myself a cat underneath my legs. There we go. So now that we've done that, it is just going to be as simple as time make -J30. Okay, so we should hopefully be done with that soon. I hope you're enjoying the rave. We now have half an hour left on today's stream. Believe it or not, this has been going for 2.5 hours already. But yes, I normally do, well, I do these Linux from scratch streams for 3 hours, because realistically, anything more than 3 hours of this and your mind basically turns into jelly or mush, or in my case, ping pong balls bouncing around your head. Time make install. There we go. So now that we've done graphiz, and I have to go back to Vela. So pwd, leave this directory, remove the directory, -x, no, wget ftp /ftp.acc.umu umu.ac/pub/gnome/sources/Vela/0.56/Vela 0.56.11.tar.xz. Enter. Good. 3.8 megabytes. 2.81. Okay. Right. So install tar-xvf Vela cd Vela /configure. This is configuration options. Well, it's configuration install. We're making it. Configuration and compiling. There we go. /configure prefix equals /user and time make -330. Right. Rave screen. Come on, not charging. There we go. Let's put my phone back on the wireless charger because it doesn't charge with cable. 26 degrees over there. Right, okay, now that that's done, we just now need to do time make install. I don't need to put time every time, but I do put time every time because it's nice to see how long the time took. Right, so we've now done Vela, which now means I can then look back at libxface for util. Right, libxface for util. So clear, where are we? Leave the directory, remove the directory. No, wget https://archive arcc.xfce.org/src/xfce/libxface for util /4.4.18/libxfce for util -4.18.1.tar.bz2. Good. tar-xvf libxface for util cd libxface for util. Okay. /configure -prefix equals /user and time make -J30. Time make install. I hope I could spell install correctly, wouldn't it? Right, there we go. Okay, I have now completed libxface for util. Done. And I need to move on to xfconf, which requires me to have libxface for util, which I have now just done. Oh my god. So leave the directory, remove the directory. No, I'll get the next one. It's wget https:// archive archive.xfce.org/src/xface/xfconf/ 4.18 slash xfconf dash 4.18.1.tar.bz2. Enter. Good. tar-xvf xfconf cd xfconf. So /configure prefix equals slash user and time make -J30. Okay, good. Time make install. Okay, good. Right. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. -r lib xfconf. I now need to do libxface4ui. So move on to libxface4ui. It requires that I have GTK plus and xfconf. Also recommended that I have startup notification. So first things first, startup notification. Let's look at that. It requires me to have XCB util and then xorg libraries. Let's do XCB util because I know xorg libraries is an absolute pain in the derriere. For XCB util, I need libxcb. For libxcb, I need XCB proto, libxau, and libxdmp. For fuck's sake. Right, libxau. What does libxau? Libxau requires xorg proto. Xorg proto requires util macros. Util macros requires xorg build environment. Sisyphus is going to be very happy with me by the time I'm done. Okay, so export xorg prefix equals slash user. Export xorg config equals quotation hyphen prefix equals x $xorg prefix hyphen sys conf directory equals slash etc /enter hyphen local stated ir equals slash var hyphen disable static. Done. Okay. Okay, so I now need to create this. So I now need to create an etc profile.d xorg.sh configuration containing these variables as root user. So at into /etc /profile.d bless me, sorry about that, /xorg.sh go until EOF is found. So xorg, hang on, xorg underscore prefix equals slash $sign equals, yes, $sign xorg underscore prefix quotation. Okay, I should have done that either side. Yeah, I should have done that either side, but I didn't the first time around. Xorg prefix is now done. So xorg config equals quotation hyphen prefix equals backslash $sign backslash $sign. There we go. Xorg prefix hyphen sys conf directory equals slash etc and then hyphen local stated ir equals slash var, and then a hyphen disable static full screen. Probably would be. Also, hello, Beer Goggler. How are we doing, my friend? This is just for XFCE4 util. This is for XFCE4 UI. I need to do startup notification, which requires xcb util, which requires libxcb, which requires libxau, which requires xorg proto, which requires util macros, which requires me to have an xorg environment. There is only 20 minutes left on this stream. Oh lord, right. Disable static. And then export xorg underscore prefix, and then xorg underscore config eof ch. Oh, you can go suck a bag of dicks. You can go suck a bag of dicks. Okay, so I guess I'm manually typing this out then. So xorg underscore prefix equals, put the back to where it was. Happy New Year to you too, Big O. I've got this. Xorg prefix equals quotation $ xorg underscore prefix quotation xorg config equals quotation hyphen prefix equals backslash $xorg underscore prefix underscore prefix. There we go. Hyphen sys conf equals /etc hyphen local stated ir equals /var, and then disable static followed by that. And now export xorg prefix org config What do you mean? Okay. Where am I currently? There's no profile.d, is there? Done. chmod 644 /etc profile.d /xorg.sh. Right, there we go. That's right. That is what I needed to do for util macros. So I can now do util macros. in the next 16 minutes. So where are we now? So wget https ftp //ftp.x.org, the website that Elon Musk wishes he could own but he can't, /individal/util/util -macros -1.20.0.tar.xz. I spelled that as dial and not dual. Whoops. There we go. tar-xvf util macros. cd util macros. And then /configure xorg config. /configure equals / hang on. I can't remember what that's supposed to be now. Prefix equals /user, yeah, so it's gonna be hyphen prefix equals /user. There we go. Okay, right. Now that I've done util macros, I can move on to the next one, which is xorg protos. Xorg proto. Okay. Where are we? So leave this directory, remove the directory. Node wget https xorg.freedesktop.org /archive /individal/proto xorg proto -2023-2.tar.xz. That's supposed to be dot. There we go. r-xvf xorg proto cd xorg proto. Okay. So now it's just going to be make directory build cd build. This is wanting its own build directory, so mason setup hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix dot and ninja. Okay. Hate this. Prefix equals /user. Mason setup wipe. Already configured. Excuse me, I'm being a dumb. I was not reading the instructions. mb-v xorg prefix /share doc xorg proto brace. That was a square brace, comma -2023.2 brace. Enter. Done. Okay. That is xorg proto done. So I now need to do libxau, which should hopefully not take anywhere near as long. So So rm-r xorg proto r-xvf no wget ftp //ftp dot x the ftp dot the website Elon Musk wishes he could own /pub /individul/lib xau -1.0.11.tar.xz. tar-xvf lib xau cd lib xau /configure xorg config and time make monster 30. Hopefully. Okay, no errors, that's good. No errors, time make install. Okay, no errors, good. Right, so we are here, leave the directory, remove the directory. Okay, now I've done libxau, we now need to look at libxcb. Libxcb requires xcb proto and libxdmpc. DMCP. We'll do xcb proto first. So, xcb proto. Where are we? So, wget the https //archive/individul/proto/xcb-proto -1.16.0.xz. There is xcb proto. tar-xvf xcb proto cd into xcb proto. We're getting there. We've got 8 minutes left. How much can I get done in these 8 minutes? So now that we are here, we need to do python equals python 3 /configure with xorg config. Okay, so yeah, fucked. So it's going to be configure hyphen prefix equals /user. Oh, because of course it works that time around. Done. Okay. So now that we have done xcb proto, we can then go back to libxcb, which requires me to do libxdmcp. What are we here? rm-r xcb proto. Yep. So libxdmcp requires me to have xorg proto, which I have done, which is good. So wget ftp //ftp dot x.org/pub /individul/lib capital X DMCP -1.1.4.tar.xz. So tar-xvf lib xdmcp cd lib xdmcp. Okay, we have 6 minutes. So /configure xorg config doc directory equals /user share doc lib xdmcp -1.1.4 and time make -30. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, didn't chuck an error, so that's good. Time make install, that's also good. Ha! Virtual machines crashed. My operating system's crashed. Well, we've got 5 minutes left and the virtual machine's crashed, so let's just give this a quick reboot and then see if this is gonna work. Oh, of course it had to bloody die now, didn't it? Yes. Right, okay. So, root. Where are we? cd lf sources cd lib x dmcp. Okay, so why didn't it do that the first time? Okay. Okay, let's not panic. Okay, let's not panic. Which one are we in? XDMCP. XDMCP. Okay, we can now leave libxdmcp. We can now come back to libxcb. Okay, so leave the directory, remove the directory libxdmcp xdmcp wget https://xorg.free-desktop.org/archive/lib/libxcb -1.16.tar.xz. Did I just... Yeah, no, I did a dumb. Try again. There we go, that's much better. So, tar-xvf libxcb cd libxcb. Yes, okay, good. Right. So, echo xorg config. Oh, yay, I've got to reset that. So, export xorg prefix equals /user export xorg_config equals quote hyphen prefix prefix, there we go, equals $ xorg_prefix sys conf dir equals /etc / local stated ir equals /var hyphen disable static quotation. Done. Back to libxcp. We are here, so /configure and then $ xorg config /enter. Without, I'm pretty sure I don't have doxygen yet. Docs ygen /enter, and then doc directory equals $$ brace data directory brace apostrophe /doc/lib xcb, nearly done, -1.16 and I make mine shit. So please don't die. Please don't do anything stupid. I just want you to work. Okay. There's a lot of warnings that I can't see. Would you like some bitrate with that? Would you like some bitrate with your video? And then we... Okay. And this is us. We are now... We are done. Just for my own sanity, I am absolutely going to be making sure that I need to go through various bits of software. So libxface for util into start up notification into XCB util into libxcb to do GTK3 GTK plus and then yeah, okay, so right, we have now done everything we need to do for this one. Oh, brain is just all over the place right now. If you have enjoyed the torture, maybe consider liking the stream, disliking it if you disliked it. Maybe consider becoming a channel member for as little as $3 a month, where you can have a little badge next to your name for these streams that say, I support him, so I'm better than you. And you get early access to videos, such as the Arch video I did this week. I'm not feeling great, so that's why there wasn't a second video this week, but yeah, anyway. You have all been amazing. Remember, when you use Linux, do not panic unless you're me. I have been Nick. You guys have all been amazing, and I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, good whatever it is. Wherever you are, goodbye.